Welcome to part two of our group project. So, by now, all of you should have entered into Padlet your endangered species Padlet project. Each person was responsible for one animal of the endangered species project that we read out of Newsela Daily. So each one of you, by now, should have uploaded this to Padlet. Remember, kudos to those that include a video, but you need to include a picture of your species. If you can add a video with a link as well, that's great. You're going to tell us a little bit about the animal, the usual, location. If you can give us numbers as far as the amount, how close they are to being endangered, to what their usual or total amount of species is on Earth left, that works as well. So, groups of 4. Each person has added their animal to Padlet. Now, within your group, you're going to choose one animal. All you need to do is choose one animal within your group from Padlet to finish up and take the next step into our group project. So each group come up with one animal only from the endangered species list, and we're going to make a Google Slides document out of it. So, choose your animal, and then we'll take the next step and finish up this project. All right, here we go. Final steps. Almost there. So now, we're going to go to a Google Slides presentation. I have already started this presentation for you. So each group chose one animal from the endangered species list. Each group is responsible to make at least a minimum of 4 slides. So each person should be responsible for 1 slide. But please, group project, help each other out. If someone knows how to embed videos, excellent. Someone's better with finding appropriate Google pics. Again, remember the legalities. Go to ones that you're allowed to use. No plagiarism, no copying. Make it easy on yourself and make it easy on me. All right, so the first step is to add the first slide. Here's an example of mine, the cheetah, endangered species. I also included a link to the Newsela article, and I do have a link to my website as well, because ideally you want to make sure that you can be contacted. Or if you'd like to show this off, you can add it to your website, your choice. The second slide, some information about the cheetah. It is the world's fastest land animal. In the 50s is when it started being cut down within its population. Again, you're going to do this with the animal which your groups have selected. Have a facts page about your animal. Here are some facts about the cheetah for you to go through if you'd like to. And then finally, I chose a video from YouTube made by National Geographic. It's great information about the cheetah, and I welcome you to view it. Again, each student responsible for 1 slide, 4 slides total. If you feel your group needs to use a 5th slide, please do so. Only work on your slides. Don't go to other people's slides, touch them, mess around with them, or else we'll have to do this as individual group projects. I don't want to do that. I'd like to have a complete project from our class that we can show. If you have any questions, if you need any help with anything, please don't hesitate to contact me. Again, regular hours for me. Campus is still closed, so contact me. Google Voice is the quickest and the best, but you can email me as well. All right, students, good luck. Have fun with this. Help each other out. And I can't wait to see your finished products. Take care. Stay healthy, stay safe. Goodbye.